Model, 2012 Ford Transit 135 T430 Rwd 17-seater twin-wheel minibus, genuine low mileage. Body, white, minibus. Mileage, 52,000. MOT the 12th of February 2026. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2135 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.